So hi guys, we're here right now at Capital Site. Check out the opening of Angus Dan, which is a perfect restaurant if you love ribs, steaks, and seafood. So if you want to know what this new restaurant is all about, check out this video.
If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion
This is a new concept that we are bringing in. So we already have two concepts. Cebu, which is seafood and Filipino food, and then the Coquito, which is the one that's Filipino buffet. So we're really well known. I think we want to pride ourselves as a Cebu to be bringing good food at the same time, and the prices are lower. So muna siya. So if we can look at our menu, the steaks is really like, if Sagawas, like for example US rib eye, Sagawas, I think that's 1213, we're serving it at 880, and our really prime steaks is 1100, Sagawas is 1006. So it is really part of our mission na we can let the Cebuanos enjoy good food at the same time getting your money's worth all the time.
let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
So hi guys, we just finished our dinner here at Angus Dan's, and wow, I'm really a meat lover. I'm a carnivore, I would say, and I would definitely recommend this place if you're like me who loves meat, really good meat. I mean, we had their steaks, the short ribs as well, even the fish is just pretty awesome. So you better check it out. And the nice thing about this place is their price really not as expensive as the other restaurants. So I think the choice rib eye, USD rib eye, is around 1,100 for a 400 gram serving. Plus they have a lot of selections. They have even cheaper cuts if you want. So if you're craving for steak, and if you're craving for a good place to eat, a new place to eat, to take your girlfriend, wife, boyfriend, special someone, you better check out Angus Dan's at 777 Jasmine Street here in Capital Site, Cebu City. Check them out, and I hope you like it as well. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now, and thank you so much for watching, because it was a fun steak day, and definitely it was a fun steak day, and I'm looking forward to more food trips. So see you, bye bye.